You need to be able to give with no expectations. Work with folks, love them, expecting nothing in return. God says he will reward you for that. And I promise you, when he rewards you, man, you've been rewarded. I promise you that. Have as much fun as you can while doing it. And that's my last one. Everything we get to do from a ministry standpoint, it's work. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all. It's a lot of work. And when some of us, man, we working harder now than we was when the doors was open. For real. It is smoking around here. But you know what? I find opportunities on purpose to have fun while I'm doing it. I reach out to certain folks. It's other people while we working, we laughing, we joking, we ribbing each other. And that's cool and fine because we getting stuff done. But man, enjoy it. These other three things don't mean nothing if you're doing it with a bad look on your face, if you angry while you offering help. Don't nobody want that help. Don't nobody want you telling them you love them and you can't even smile. I love you. No, you don't. Quit lying. Matter of fact, just don't even tell me that. Just keep right on walking. If you're going to spend this time, spend it in such a way that folks miss you when you leave. That they remember the time they spent with you, that they can't wait to get back with you. They can't wait to see you again. When they feel like stuff ain't going right, they shoot you a text because they know, man, I know if I send this message out, David gonna say something crazy back to me and it's gonna put a smile on my face. I know if I reach out real quick, Jason gonna say something, he gonna have something to say that's gonna make me think about this completely differently. I know this reality. I know that if I'm feeling a certain type of way, I can jump on the phone with Tootie and she can start singing Pressed in Your Presence across Facebook and let me know that Jesus ain't giving up on me. Even if she had a heart covering her face, the words itself is powerful enough to bring this off of me. So I want you to know, man, this is how real community is formed. This is what real community from a faith perspective looks like. This is where the best memories are created. This is where bonds for life are formed. I'm praying that one day I'm gonna look up and I'm gonna see some of y'all on TV and I'm gonna be like, is that Michelle? I remember Michelle on Zoom back in the day. Is that Courtney? Courtney used to be working at the store. Now she running the store. Courtney now own the store. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for folks like Eric who running around here. I told Eric, I talked to him yesterday, like, hey, when you invent that new software, I need you to hit me up because I'm going to drop my 50 down so quick. I need to be an investor on the front end because I got my beach house picked out. So when your stuff blow up, I'm buying it. We believe in y'all. We believe in you. We want what's best for you. We want to celebrate awesome stuff with you. And even when stuff ain't so awesome, bring it to us anyway, because we'll share them tears with you, and then we gonna plan and figure out the best way to make life happen after that.